Hello all, I am Ranjit Nath. This video is to share you all the third task of my internship program on data science and business analytics at the Sparks Foundation. The task is to perform exploratory data analysis on sample superstore dataset. I have used Python as my coding language and Jupyter Notebook as my IDE for this task. This is the dataset used. While going through this dataset, we could see there are numbers of rows with multiple columns related to a general superstore. Exploratory data analysis is understanding the dataset by summarizing the main characteristics and plotting them visually. It is used to gain better understanding of data aspects before creating the machine learning models. Here I am importing the required libraries for this task, namely NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. I am importing the data and storing into the variable name called as dataset. Here I am checking out the data. Dataset.head to get us the top 5 rows of the dataset. Dataset.tail to get us the last 5 rows. Dataset.info. Here we could see there are 9994 columns in all the rows. Dataset.describe and dataset.shape. Here I am performing exploratory data analysis. Parplot from Seaborn library makes it easy to plot all the possible numerical columns. Here I am taking the correlation between all the numerical columns and plotting it as a heat map. With respect to ship mode, I am performing the analysis here. So we conclude that comparatively the superstore had high sales and profit when the ship mode is standard class. With respect to segment analysis, we could see the consumers showed more interest on buying products in this superstore. So we conclude consumers showed more interest on buying products than corporates and home office. I'm performing city analysis for this task. We could see there are 531 cities of the United States had involved on buying products in this superstore. Here I'm performing state analysis. We could see 49 states involved in buying the products in the superstore, in which California is standing top. I'm plotting it as a bar diagram here. So we conclude California providing the best sales compared to the rest of the states in USA. Here I'm doing region analysis. We could see the western part of the United States had more interest on buying products in this general store. So we conclude both profit and sales are high in the western part of USA, but the organization has to concentrate more on the southern part of the USA. Here I am performing category analysis. So we conclude office supplies win the battle with furniture and technology products on all parts of the USA. I am doing subcategory analysis for this task here. While plotting it in a bar diagram, we could see binders has been more consistently purchased product in this general store. This is a pie chart. We could see 15.2% of the products have been binders. So we conclude binders being the most sold product in subcategory list, which comes under office category. I am doing discount analysis for this task. With the discount of 50%, the sales are pretty good, but the profit is very poor, which results in loss. We could see this in this line plot. I'm doing general analysis of all the columns. Here we could see the copiers is performing high with respective sales. With respect to profit also, we could see copiers are providing more profit than rest of the other products. With respect to region, we could see the west part of United States have performed very well. So the key business problems we can derive by exploring the data and the solutions are: office supplies products are the most sold compared to other categories, but the sales and profit amount obtained for the same have been really poor. So we should strengthen them and provide attractive discounts for other categorical products to increase their sales. 2. Western part of USA really performs well by providing best sale history in all categories of products, South being the poor performer of the rest. So we should analyze and reach southern people of USA with striking offers and increase the sales. 3. The profit for bookcases, tables and binders are very less. So we need to reconsider on the gain and selling percentage being set for them. On the other hand, copiers providing us high sales and profit. So we must really focus on the increasing the copiers sales. Thank you all.